How to run immediately an Ansible handler? I'm going to show you with some simple code. My name is Luca Burton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. So, first of all, by default, handlers run after all the tasks in a particular play have been completed. So we need a way for changing this behavior. But let's see together in a demo. Let's jump in a real-life example of how to run an Ansible handler immediately. First of all, we need a task changed status. The simplest Ansible module returning a changed status is Ansible command module with a Linux command. So, for example, the uptime. Let's suppose we would like to execute a handler immediately after the change status and not wait for the next task using the ansible.builtin.meta module. I will show you everything in my editor. Welcome to my editor. I'm going to show you one very simple playbook to demonstrate this behavior. First of all, let's give a name to our play handler demo that is going to execute on host all of our inventory, and let's create one simple task that returns a changed status using Ansible built-in command and uptime Linux command that notify the handler message 1. And let's create another task, in this case message 2, that is going to use Ansible debug module to print it out message 2 on screen. On the handlers list, we have only one handler that is called message 1 that is going to be executed, notified by the command module that printed out the message 1 on the screen. And that's it. We're expecting to execute this playbook and let's see what will be the outcome. Welcome to my terminal. Now I would like to execute my Ansible playbook. So first of all, let me show you my inventory. This is a very simple that is going to target localhost as execution host. And then we are going to use the Ansible-playbook included in every Ansible installation with -i to specify inventory file and the name of our Ansible playbook. As expected, we see that the play starts from the task, get a change status, then move to the next task, and in the end, we run the handler. So, is there a way to run message 1, then message 2 on the screen? Yes, it is. And I'm going to show you in a blink of an eye. Let's return back to the editor. Back on our editor, let's add the flash operation just after the task that with the change status that should trigger the handler. So let me add another task named flash, and I'm going to use the ansible.builtin.meta. This is super famous and we can trigger actually a lot of Ansible behavior here. So let me use flash underscore handlers to execute immediately my handler when needed. So the expected behavior is to see message 1, then message 2. Finger crossed, let's move to the terminal. Back on my terminal, this time we are going to execute again the Ansible playbook. I saved with a different name so we can see the difference. As you can see, in the previous execution I saw message 2 before message 1. This time I'm going to execute Ansible playbook flash underscore after, and ta-da! We get the handler just after the task with a change status. So I got a message 1, then message 2. Actually, Ansible is doing an optimization, trying to execute the handler after the play is trying to pack all together all the calling and execute only once, and we are overriding this one. Now you know how to run immediately an Ansible handler in a playbook. Thank you for watching. I hope this lesson was useful for you, and see us on the next adventure. Let's automate more with Ansible. Have a great day. Yay!